Okay, walk into the front door. Move, baby. I'm gonna shut it. Here's everything. Here's the window. I'm recording it so he could go. You go to the right. Here's one of the bedrooms.
Have you ever sent him a video?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah. Send them to you too.
How long can you film that
In the
for?
closet. A few minutes. Then you go this way. Here's a guest bathroom. You go this way. Here's another room. And another room.
Oh, baby. Whoa. Whoa.
There's Bubba and Peyton. Hey. Okay. Go back out towards the front door and there's the hallway. I'm recording. Go to the left and here's his kitchen. Computer desk over there. Little dining room. Her water's in the bag. Kitchen.
No, that's what Mallory's got.
Go through here. There's the front door again. I'm right here. You have another closet. Pantry. Here's our laundry room. And here is the garage. Go back towards the kitchen.
Don't take wood.
Here's the dining room, the living room.
Got me some gas logs.
Look at all those windows.
How do you like the gas logs? I've always had wood and it's a
Oh, I would
mess.
rather have them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd much rather
You have to have
have
wood, you have to buy wood.
It burns like that
And you have
it
to have it
stinks up the
sitting out,
house.
yeah.
Here's his
Smokes
yard.
and soaks and everything, and when you want fire, you just come in there and turn that on and light it. That's your fire.
Does it actually transfer the heat to the logs
All
so that
the
they
way
glow, or
around.
is it just like flames around them?
The flames underneath.
Those probably will. She's
Oh.
got one that does. I mean, it looks like a fire.
Really?
What, baby?
That might be different, but mine's, you can buy this stuff
Go to the right.
that makes it look like coals.
Here's the master bedroom.
Get hot.
The logs,
Yeah, they'll throw out heat.
Into their bathroom. Here's our bathroom closet. They each get their own sink. There's their shower and their bathtub. Peyton loves playing with the water. And then their toilet is behind closed doors. Come here, Pumpkin. Then you go in, and here is their closet. So that's all of it.